we're in the greenhouse right now, and I'm fixing to go do my chores, but I need to water these and my seedlings, and I'll get you a shot of those. I don't know if I've showed everybody, but everything's coming up really well. I'll give them the first little dose of fertilizer, and what I'm using, I've got a gallon and a half of water here. I'm using 20-20-20, and actually it's got a spoon in there, but I'm using this one for Miracle-Gro, the small end. So I put one pretty good scoop of the small end in that gallon and a half of water. So you don't want to give them a whole lot to start with, so this is a good balance, 20-20. And that's 20% nitrogen, 20% phosphorus, 20% potash. So this actually has micronutrients in it, so I really like this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and water these, and probably today and tomorrow they'll get the fertilizer, and then I'll lay off for a week and I'll give them a little more. I really need to get these going pretty good because of we'll be planting these hopefully not too long. But let's water these, and I'll kind of show you to you after I get through here. Well, we're actually fertilizing them. So. Actually mean to got some onions right here and they just started to come up. I didn't really mean to give them that fertilized water, but they'll probably be okay. All right, let's give you a good close-up of what we got going on here. And now it's been, last 2 days have been cold. I took these into the garage. I kept them in the garage during the night. I'm gonna bring them out here during the day, and it's 65-ish in here, and it feels really good in here because I wasn't gonna go plow today, but it's just, I don't know, it just feels cold anyway. So this is kohlrabi that we planted. Really good germination. This is the broccoli, and you can kind of see they're starting to come on. Cabbage looks pretty good. Cauliflower looks really good. And this is the onions. They're just now kind of starting to come up. And lettuce. So, we're starting to get maybe some second leaves coming on. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to go through and thin some of these. Well, I actually gonna probably start another round. I think I'm gonna do another round of lettuce, cabbage, and broccoli. And these are 72 cell plugs. Don't have any more than 72 that I like, so probably go to a 50. I've got I think this is a 200. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet. I might put some herbs, try to do some herbs in there. And I got this, which I'm gonna cut this in half. And bring my germination. I've got a little germination chamber that I'm going to use. I'm going to put it right under here and right behind the door, because I don't hardly ever put any plants here to water. So I'm just going to put it right there. I'm going to run electric and all that stuff, good stuff. Could have been doing that today. I didn't think about it anyway. But got all these watered, and I'm really happy with that germination mix. So. Like I said, I made my own for the last 3 years, and I don't know if this ain't buying it's just a little bit cheaper anyway. I don't know. All right, so let's go move some chickens and throw some chicken feed out and see if we got any eggs today. I don't know if we do today or not. So most I've got this year so far has been a 6. So we'll see how many we get today. We got to feed the pigs too. You got to do them first because they get, ugh. All right, let's go do some chores. Ride down and check the sap real quick on the water trees. I think this is going to be tonight will be the last night I think I'll get anything, if I get anything at all. So we'll see how much we got. Decide what we're going to do. Well, that ain't got much at all in here. That's the first one. It ain't got that much in the bottom. way over half. I don't know if it shows up. Yes. Like I said, tonight would be the last night that it's gonna get kind of below freezing. I looked at the 10-day forecast, and now it's gonna get to like 40s, high mid 40s or whatever, but it's not gonna be cold enough, I think. So this is gonna be the last hurrah. So I'll get this out, whatever I got tomorrow, pull the taps out, and the trees will start healing. I didn't get any maple syrup. I was going to, and I think the day I was cooking it down in that video, which is probably a week or 2 weeks ago, but it's already started budding out. So as if it's budding out, that it'll be syrup have a bitter taste to it. So I didn't fool with it. So I'll have to do it earlier next year. So if I get a gallon, I'll cook it down, and that should give me like 3 ounces, which is not enough to really fool with, but maybe we can taste it and see if we even like it, and see what it tastes like. And if I do, I'll have Allison cook us some pancakes and we'll try it out. So tomorrow will be the last day of my sap collection, I think, for the year. And I think I need to start out earlier. So learned quite a bit. It's just not, it's not as easy as you think it's going to be, or as easy as I thought it was going to be. I didn't think it'd be that big of a deal. But, I screwed that up. I had about, 6 or 7 gallons in, and hopefully I need about maybe 10 gallons, and that'd make what, half a gallon. So that'd probably be worth your time. All right, but if I get a gallon tomorrow, like I said, we'll cook it down. And if we even get 2 or 3 ounces, we'll try it and see what it tastes like. Well, there's the chores done. I forgot to record the sheep, but same thing, you just pull them and give them a little water. Appreciate you farming with me today. We're still working on our farm stand, and that video will be out in a little while. And it's going to plow, like I said, I think I said I was going to plow today, but it's just too cold. And hopefully get that done tomorrow and get back on my fence line and seed some more seeds. And so we're got a lot going on. So appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.